Very good morning, students. So this is the second session of chapter 19, Congruency. In the previous session we have seen the condition for congruency, and we have seen the two condition, which was side and second was side angle side. So today we are going to see the third condition. So for this condition I am drawing first the figure. Just look very carefully what I am drawing and what is being done on the board. Okay, and kindly watch the videos. I am seeing very less number of students are taking interest. So kindly watch it. It will be helpful for you. And still, if you are getting any difficulty, then do ask me. So the figure is given like this: A, B, and C. Clear? And this is P, Q, and R. Okay, and angle is being mentioned at vertex B, then at C, and the side is given to us, then this side, then this, and this side. Clear? So as you can see that this angle, when this has been taken out, and just put it on this angle, clear, on PQR. So this angle B is coinciding with Q, okay, and C is coinciding with R, and side is coming. So how to write in the statement? If two angles and the included side, okay, this is the condition of congruency. Okay. So if two angles and the included side, if two angles and the included side, see, two angle and the included side of one triangle, are equal to two angles and included side of the other, and included side of the other the triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, then the triangles are, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, means this is angle B is coinciding with angle Q. You can even write it like this: angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R, and BC is equals to QR. Okay, this is the condition, and by which this is congruent means what is the condition which is coming in that? It is angle, then side, and then angle. So we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by angle side, then angle. Is it clear? So this is the third condition for congruency, which is by angle, side, angle. Clear? So look at the board. Then we are moving on to the next condition. So now our next condition is angle, angle, side. Let us see what this condition is telling. So this triangle is given to you. One more triangle is there. Okay, we will name it again as A, B and C, and this will be P, Q and R. Okay, then the angle is given at vertex B and vertex C, and the side is given. Similarly at Q and R, and the side is given. Now you can see that first the two angles are coming and the side is not included in that. Clear? Similarly at that side also, but it is a corresponding side. So we will prove its congruency by angle, angle, side. Clear? If we will take out this whole angle ABC and just put it on this PQR. So B is equals to Q, C is equals to R, and AC is equals to PR. Clear? So this is the method how we can prove its congruency. Let's write. So if any two angles, and a side and side is not the included side. Okay, not the included means not, it is not coming in this angle. Clear? Not is okay. So not the included means it is not coming in between these two angles. The side is not coming in between these two angles. That is called the not included side. Not the included side. Clear? Not the included side of one triangle. One triangle are equal to the two angles and the corresponding side then the triangle is said to be congruent. When the triangle is said to be congruent. Clear? So this is the theory of it. Let's write its condition. Okay. So in this we can write like this. In order to prove it, okay, now I'm showing you the working. how the working is being done in the given figure. In the given figure, angle B will be equals to angle Q, then angle C will be equals to angle R, and AC, side AC will be equals to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by angle side. Okay, and its abbreviation is AAS. Clear? So this is the fourth condition for the congruency, in which we have proved that the two triangles are equal by the following condition, which is angle side. Okay, look at the board. Then we are moving on to our last condition, which is our right angle hypotenuse side. So our last condition is fifth one. Let's draw the figure first. This is the figure. Okay, and one more figure is given like this. Markings have been done. This is C, then this is B, this is A, and at vertex B, the angle is forming 90 degree. Then the sides are given. Okay, and here this is E and F and D. And at E, 90 degrees forming, then this side, and okay, so you can see that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, the hypotenuse of this triangle is equals to the hypotenuse of this triangle. This side and this side are equal, and this angle and this angle is equal. So we can prove it that these are congruent, these two triangles are congruent, and the condition is right angle hypotenuse side. So let's write its condition. First, the theory: if the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle and one side of a right angle triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle. Hypotenuse and one side of other right angle triangle, right angle angle then the triangle is said to be congruent. Then the triangle is said to be congruent. Clear? So we have seen this. When the triangles are congruent, let's see it's working. Okay. This is the theory part. Now let's see it's working. So now in the given figure, angle B is equals to angle E, that is 90 degree. Clear? Then AB side AB is equals to side FE. AB is equals to FE. Clear? This is the side, and hypotenuse AC and hypotenuse AC is equals to hypotenuse FD. Okay, so by this we can prove that this right angle triangle ABC is equals to DEF. Clear? Or you can start from here, we can name it from here FED. Okay, so ABC, okay, triangle ABC is equals to, means it's congruent to triangle FED. Okay, and it is by RHS. Okay, means there is one right angle, then hypotenuse and a side is being included. So by this condition we are proving that these two right angle triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, I hope you are understanding it very well. If you are facing any difficulty while understanding this little concept, okay, then ask me again. Now we are moving on to the exercises. So now we are starting with exercise 19. And question number 1 is saying that state whether the pairs of triangles, okay, some pairs are given in your book, so you have to state whether the pairs of triangles given in the followings are congruent or not. Okay, I'm drawing the figure first. Okay, and this figure is given. Just somewhat like this. Wait a minute. This. So markings are being given. This is 90 and this is also 90. Clear? And here the hypotenuse is 4 centimeter. Then this is 2 centimeter. Then this is 2 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Clear? We can name it A, B, C and D, E, F. Now you have to prove that whether A, B, C is congruent to D, E, F. So now you are seeing that here 90-degree angle is given. Okay, so this is right angle triangle. So in front of it is the hypotenuse. Okay, so here hypotenuse does not have any marking, and here hypotenuse are having the marking of 4 centimeter, and here you can see there is no marking given. So when we are picking this right angle triangle out and just putting onto this, you can clearly see that angle B is not equals to angle D. Okay, because it is not exactly coinciding. Yes, they both are 90-degree, but coinciding is not there. So this is the reason. And here you can see that hypotenuse are also not equal. Okay, then this is the condition why triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, clearly it is visible for you. Okay, just now we have seen the condition. This is the fifth one where we are seeing that hypotenuse and one side is equal to the other triangle. So here hypotenuse is not equal, okay, and the sides are not coinciding with each other very properly. So this is the main reason why triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle DEF. Understood? Now let's move on to the next part. Now I'm taking the fourth part of this question 1, fourth part. Okay, the two figures are given. Two figures are given to you, and this is somewhat like this. Okay, then markings are being done. 4 centimeter, then 6 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Clear? And this is 4 centimeter. Now this is 5 centimeter, and this is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so now you just pick this triangle and put it on this. So you can easily see that the sides are coinciding with each other, okay, and they are equal. So we can say that, suppose it as ABC and DEF. Okay, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Why? Because the sides of triangles, the three sides of this triangle and the three sides of this triangle are matching. Okay, because they are same in length. Understood? So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by the condition side, side and side. Clear? In this, the length are similar. That is why side, side, side. Clear? Take a look. Then we will move on to our next question. So now we are taking question number 2. The part which is being left by me in question number 1 are second, then third, fifth, sixth and seventh. It is very easy based on that method which is been told to you in the previous and in today's session also. So try to solve these parts, and so I'm taking question number 2. Okay, and if you will face any difficulty in solving question number 1 leftover part, so again I'm telling you, try to ask, come in a bulk, so that 1 or 2 students are coming and asking. So kindly please be sincere for your studies and kindly ask the doubts. So let us see question number 2. Question number 2, the figure is given like this. Okay, the figure is somewhat given like this. Then the marking is being done A, B and D and C. Okay, this side is equals to this side and this is equals to this, and we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, we have to prove it. So let's start. In the given figure, AB, side AB is equals to side AC. Okay, then side BD is equals to BC, BD is equals to BC, and AD is common in both triangle, so AD will be equals to AD. Why? Because it is common. Okay, hence we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by which condition? By side. Okay, by side, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Clear? Take a look. So today we are ending with this session. In the next session we will see few more questions which has been left in this exercise, and we will be completing this chapter. Okay, again it's very important chapter for the exam point of view. Try to take very serious. Okay, take your studies very serious, students, because exams are coming very close by. So watch each and every video, solve the assignment which is being given to you, and ask your doubt. Thank you.